guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp error. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the official version of WhatsApp downloaded from Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. If you see the option of update, click on it, as older versions can sometimes create account verification problems. If you are still having the issue, completely delete the WhatsApp app and reinstall it. Then you can launch it. If the message still appears, open WhatsApp and tap on Support or Request a Review option if available. This allows you to submit an appeal directly to WhatsApp and request a review of your account. When submitting your appeal, explain politely that you believe the restriction may have been a mistake and avoid sending repeated requests. However, if the account was permanently banned for violating platform policies, recovery may not always be possible. To avoid future restrictions, never use unofficial mods, spam messages, bulk forwarding tools, or suspicious third-party apps connected to WhatsApp. And that's basically how you can fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.